Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 302, white space control in Liquid. By default, a line of Liquid code will add a line break to the output, even if that line of Liquid doesn't output anything. In this tip, we'll look at how you can change that default behavior to generate cleaner markup. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Let's look at a simple if statement that checks if a user is logged in, and if so, outputs their email address. If we add that code to our page, you'll notice that there will be 3 lines added to the source of the page in the browser. This is because the if tag and the end if tag both add a blank line to the output. Having these extra blank lines can cause our resulting markup to be messy. This can be especially true when dealing with loops. To clean up this markup, we can add a hyphen after the percentage sign at the beginning of the tag, and one before the percentage sign at the end of the tag. If we do that for both the if tag and the end if tag, you'll see all the extra white space disappear. You can choose to include the hyphen only after the first percentage sign, or only before the second percentage sign of a tag. You do not need to include both if you're only looking to reduce the white space either before or after your tag. You can also use the hyphens with the 2 curly braces syntax for even more control over white space. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 302 on white space control in Liquid useful.